Good morning, goat lovers. Today's episode is going to be shocking. Don't do it. No, girl. All right, Chance. We will see you in pictures. This boy's getting ready to get in the truck with Derek and take him to Amy Sporna so she can transport him up to Idaho. Dude, you always gotta eat my shirt. Bye, Chance.
Hey,
Have a good ride.
Hi, dude. Climate controlled transport. Today we have this little pen set up so we can train the doelings to the electric fence so we can add them to the herd. Some things to keep in mind. It's important that your fence is fully charged. 8,000 volts. They're going to get zapped. It's not going to hurt them. I've been zapped by it. We've all been zapped by it. It's important that they fear it, though. That's what works. It keeps them in. It's important that they fear it. This little gate set up real quick. Shady area. They're going to spend a few hours in here until they all figure it out. One more thing. Just throw the whole herd in. Don't do one at a time. Just let them all go in together. If you do one at a time, when they get zapped, they run out the fence and they try to run back to the herd. If you put them all in there together, they get zapped, and even if they jump through, they'll jump back through to be with the herd because they're a herd animal. So put them all together. There was one. There was two.
Uh-oh.
You can see already all three of them have got it. It didn't hurt them, it scared them, and that was good.
She's gonna test it more, though. She doesn't quite. She kind of gets it, don't she?
Yeah, that's usually all it takes.
Oh, she's too close. Oh, she's gonna get it. Oh. They know that sound now, too. It makes them jump. Oh.
Oh, another one.
What in the... Derek's adding some water around the fence here. It's gonna give them
more lasting impression.
Yeah, they'll get a harder zap. They're testing it out a little too many times. What are you doing? Don't do it. No, girl. Oh, stinker. So the water on the ground packs more of a punch. Stay away. While the little doelings are getting trained on the electric fence, the boys out here cleaning up their pen because they're not going to go back in it. How's it going?
Hurts. Trees.
Trees hurt? Are they stabbing you? Well, man, you got a lot of that out of here. Looking good, bub. My hard-working son. The trio. What are you doing? What are you boys up to? Huh? Being silly boy. Okay. Boy, you want to be on the camera, huh? Sillies. That boy is so chill. Hey, what are you doing? All right. What do you do? All the years, I've never seen one of you scrape your head hard enough on my milk stand to make your head blue. Leave it up to Mayo. Dork. Girls have to wait. We'll get you grazing here in a little bit. We're training the babies. It is... I'm gonna go with it's officially rut. It stinks around here, these boys. If you can tell the luck, there's a lot of cologning going on here. And it's smelling strong. Put this yucca in here for them a few days ago. These boys loved it. It was like a new toy. When we first put it in there, we have that on our goat vlog. So if you guys want to check it out, go to our YouTube channel, Goat Vlog. It was pretty funny. My poor girl has to go to work again and make that money.
Nope.
Have a good day, baby. Don't drive into any medians. Alright, now we just put them in the main doe pen for now until we bring the big girls back in here. But they will be staying in here tonight. Probably just separate them up in that top one for the evening, but... Alright, so it's hot, guys. It's noon and way too hot to be outside. So I'm gonna go in the house and make me some more cheese in the air conditioner. our cheese started, and we've been making some homemade marinara sauce with our herbs growing in the garden and our garlic. So we've been in here for a couple hours, staying cooler than outside. But I was going to try a new cheese this week, and I decided against it. I wanted to do another pepper jack. I was really excited about that cheese, and I think I want at least 2 pepper jacks. And next week I might be trying a new cheese that potentially only needs to sit and age for 4 weeks, and also is a very creamy, if you do it right, a very creamy and good melting cheese. So I think I'm going to try that one. You'll have to stay tuned for next week and see. Anyway, so that's what we're doing, guys. We're in the kitchen making some cheese.
Yep.
So Emily and I are about to get ready to cut the curds. We're already in that aspect. So while we were waiting for the curds to, or after we put the rennet in, waiting for it to sit up, takes about an hour, I had been speaking with Chance, the little buckling that went to Idaho. I'd been speaking with his new owner, his new mama, and she was nice enough to send us some pictures of his new home up in Idaho. So I'm going to share those with you. He looks really happy, and I think his new mama is happy too. Shelly's noticed the babies. What do you think, Shelly? Lily. Here comes Anna. One of those babies is yours, Lily and Anna, for the record. It's all right. All right. All right, guys, so we are leaving them in this top pen away from the does for tonight. Don't eat my hair. We're leaving them in here tonight just so that they can be up along the fence with them, get to know each other, sniff each other, check each other out before... She's scratching my back. Anyway, before we actually introduce them. So tomorrow we are going to Mount Lemon. So they're going to be in here tomorrow too. But that is going to be phase 2 of introduction to the does. You girls will be okay. It's been a big day for them. Be good, girls. Let's see. Oh, they're interested. Who are the newbies? All right, you girls be nice. Be nice. goat lovers, this is Crystal with Blue Cactus Dairy Goats. What started with 4 chickens and 2 goats quickly grew into a lifestyle. So we moved, got more land, and of course, more goats. Follow our adventures as we grow our herd, our food, and our family.